What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Wall Street PR. In today's video, I'm going to be going over AgriSolar Solutions. Ticker symbol, their new ticker symbol after the merger is TTNN. You can see a very interesting looking chart, pretty steady uptrend. They have reached an all-time high of about 50 cents per share, and this was back on October 4th of 2021. And after that, and since then, they have pulled back to their current price of about 29 cents per share. But before we get into the technicals and talk about the charts, as always, I do want to say and give a background about the company, a little bit into what they do, some of the recent news before we break that down. So with that said, you can see over here on agrisolar.com, you can see a little bit on their About Us page. AgriSolar, founded since 2015, started focusing mainly on solar pumping systems. They were keen to provide the most advanced solutions that improve solar energy utilization, on-grid, off-grid, and hybrid solutions, and they were one of the most important suppliers of internationally respected brands in the industry, in the energy field. Their vision: with continuous research and development, AgriSolar is aiming to help solving energy problems, especially in the agriculture sector in Egypt and the Middle East. And lastly, their mission is to introduce feasible solar energy solutions to the agriculture sectors so that solar energy becomes the main source of energy for agriculture and other sectors. And lastly, like I mentioned at the start of this video, this came out yesterday on February 7th. AgriSolar Solutions completes reverse merger with APE NRG Inc. If we scroll down here, you can see operating as a downstream energy and transportation holding company through its subsidiaries, announced today that the reverse merger between AgriSolar Solutions and APE has closed, with FINRA stating an effective date as of the market's opening on February 4th of 2022. The combined company will operate under the name Titan NRG, and its shares will be traded on the OTC Pink market under the new ticker symbol TTNN, which is what we just saw over here on Webull. Back to the article though, you can see full details of the transactions were not closed. However, a stock merger took place whereby the holders of shares in Titan NRG Partners received a combination of common but mostly preferred Titan NRG shares. The transaction is expected to allow the company to grow strategically in the downstream energy and transportation markets. That's why there isn't a lot of news or things you can find about TTNN, is because they just completed this merger, and that's partly why they have been gaining all this traction and seeing this upwards movement. But with that said, guys, to break down the chart over here, you can see, like I said, all-time high back here at 50 cents per share. But since then, they dipped all the way back down to about 17 cents per share before spiking back up to 41 and then pulling back to their current price level of 29 cents per share. Personally, guys, I'm not a buyer at this current price. I do think they have a lot of hype, a lot of volume, and a lot of pretty strong, good movement. If we zoom out a little bit further, you can see this is a steady uptrend, and that's what you want to see as an investor in a company like this. But personally, I'm trying to buy on a dip. I'm trying to buy back here around 17 to 20 cents per share. You could obviously start a position right here, and if they do pull back more, add more heavily around that price range. It's completely up to you. But always remember, guys, do your own research before investing. Only invest what you can afford to lose. But with that said, if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one.